Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to autosave chats on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, I want you to open your Snapchat app and go to the messages area by clicking the chat button at the lower part of your screen. And now just go ahead and open the conversation. So for example, this one. So to save the chat, I want you to click on the chat that you want to save, like that. So as you can see, that says saved, right? So that means that this chat is saved on the conversation. Okay, so that's it. That is how you save chats on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.